with all your hands with my eyes to see. Straight buck wildin' in the place to be. If you really wanna party with me.
Woo! Sorry. Let's start this over. And thank y'all for saying bless you if you did. Hey everybody, it's JAZ NICHELLE and welcome back to my channel. Today is July 6th. And if you all did not know, my birthday is July 12th. Woot. So I am about to start getting ready for my birthday. So this is gonna be like a little birthday prep. Today I'm getting my hair dyed. So I'm gonna show y'all like my appointments, you know, getting my nails done. I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going. I'm gonna let y'all figure it out. But I'm not gonna tell y'all where I'm going. But before I get started with this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to join the fam because y'all been vibing with your girl, and I'm so freaking happy that y'all have been because, you know, it's 160 something of y'all, you know, and y'all watching me, y'all vibing with me. I do it. Yeah, so I'm gonna dye my hair today. I'm dyeing my hair back red. So my hair was red in like December, January-ish, and it was a cute color, but I want my hair to be like a little bit brighter than that. My hair, you know, the red was growing out, and this is like the color that is now. It's like a copper color, but today it's getting dyed back red. So this is what I'm using. I'm using the Ion brand, and you know, I bought 4 boxes of these. These are not all going in my hair, but I bought 4 boxes because my mom be using a lot. And you know, I also bought this too. Some girl at Sally's recommended me to get this. It's like a shampoo and conditioner to keep that color in my hair. The reason why I have so many dyes is because I'm getting a ponytail that my friend is doing, and I got bundles. So these are the bundles right here. This is what it looks like. I got 2 of them, but they're both 20 inches. I got them from a boutique that's located in Inkster, Michigan, and it's called Blank Bundles. And no, I'm not sponsored by them, but you can go get them. They got some good quality bundles for some great prices, so go get some Blank Bundles. I'm not dyeing those today, so I'm getting my hair dyed first because that's what takes longer. So I'm just going to show you guys the whole thing with that. So yeah, I'm excited to take you guys on this journey with me. I know last year you guys came with me to my Airbnb, so this year y'all gonna come to me wherever I go. So y'all figure it out. I'm gonna let y'all comment down below to see where I'm going, and I'm not gonna tell you who's right or wrong. I'm gonna just wait until I get there. So yeah, about to get started with my hair, and I'll see y'all in a minute. Ooh. Blonde hair.
What'd you say?
I may have to go blonde one day. Not today though, but one day. Okay guys, I'm up under the dryer. My hair just finished conditioning. This is really red. Like, I'm really about to be red, y'all. When my mom was dyeing my hair, she had to bleach my hair first because I still had the other dye on my hair, so she was trying to strip it. I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but that junk burned so bad when my mom started dyeing my hair. I'm not sure why it was burning, but it burned like to the point where I was crying. Like, I was literally crying. Like, I'm tender-headed, but that junk hurt, and I've never experienced like anything like that before. But my mom just hurried up and like washed it out. I didn't even stay under the dryer for a long time. Not just now, but like when we were dyeing my hair, I didn't even stay under the dryer for a long time. So this is what the color came out to be, but it looks good to me. I'm excited. So period. I'm excited, and I get my hair done Friday, so tomorrow I'm gonna try to get my nails done, because I'm getting my nails the exact same way. I feel like this is like a good neutral color, so this is like the only nail that's broke, but any other nail is fine. Like, all my other nails are good, so I'm gonna just get a fill-in, and I'm gonna get the exact same thing because I like this, and this goes with all my outfits. So I shall see y'all soon. So y'all, I'm about to get in the shower, so I'm naked, so I'm not gonna show y'all, you know, what's going on. But as you can see, my hair is red, okay? Like, my hair is red, Ronald McDonald, okay? Like, ooh, I love it. And then my mom, I don't know what product she put in my hair, but the coils, okay? The coils. But I'm about to get in the shower, so I'm about to get ready for work. The next time you guys will see me will be tomorrow when I get my nails done and when we dye my bundles, because I'm getting a ponytail. So just stay tuned for that. Just stay tuned for that. And then I'm going to shopping tomorrow too, because I have to get me some shoes, get me some earrings. So it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. So have a good day, okay? Don't let nobody ruin your day today, okay? But I shall see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, y'all. It is now the next day. I am about to go get my nails done and my feet done. I've been trying to figure out like a style to do for like my nails, because this is my nails now, and I wanted something like this but just with like a splash of blue in it, but I'm not sure what I want, so we shall see what I get. I'm about to get dressed, brush my teeth, all that. I literally just woke up. It's like 10 in the morning, and I told myself that I was gonna be up earlier than this, but it didn't happen. So I'm about to get dressed, brush my teeth, wash my face and all that, and then I'm gonna head over to the nail salon, and we're gonna see what happens. Hey you guys, let me change it to a color that y'all can see me in better. Yeah, so it is 1 a.m. and the last time I spoke to y'all was before I got my nails done. So let me explain what happened. So I went to go get my nails done, and I had to leave because they were like taking forever. The place that I normally go to, they were super busy because they were closed yesterday. So today was the first day that they were open, and so I guess everybody just had the same idea to get their nails done. And so I had to leave. Like, I got there by like 11:15ish, and I had to leave by 12 because my sister had like an appointment at 1:30. And so no, I left at 12:30. Sorry. No. I'm so confused. I left at 12 because my sister had an appointment at 1. So I came home to take off the paint off my feet because I forgot I had to do a pedicure too. And so, long story short, I had to take my sister to her wax appointment. And so after that, that's when I went back to the nail salon, and my sister came with me because she wanted to get her eyebrows done. And so basically I was there till like 4 or something, and it took a long time because they were super busy. And then I was panicking because I had to go to the mall and buy pet food and other stuff. And so basically it had stormed and power lines were falling, and it was just a lot going on. And then I ended up going to the mall, buying everything that I need to buy for Hazel, and I ended up getting a birthday gift, which I will show y'all tomorrow. Right now I am actually on YouTube and I'm watching Asleah Williams because I'm just bored and I'm up. But I have my wax appointment tomorrow, and I'm sitting here watching Asleah gets hers, and it's making me nervous because I haven't gotten a wax in a very long time. And the last time I got a wax, it just wasn't good. Like, it wasn't a good experience. But with that being said, I have to get one tomorrow, and I'm like super duper nervous, so I don't even know why I'm watching this video. But I just came to update y'all and let y'all know what was going on today, because I'm sorry I couldn't film because it was just a lot going on. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some sleep. No, I'm not. I lied. I don't know what I'm gonna do because my appointment is at 9:45 tomorrow, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I'm gonna talk to you guys later, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Y'all have a good night, okay? Bye. Alright, y'all, I have made it to the European Wax Center. So it is now 9:27 and my appointment is at 9:45. So good morning. Sorry if I didn't say that. Don't mind my glasses. My dog chewed them up, so I only wear them when I drive. But I made it. I'm here super early. I'm never here this early, but I didn't want to be late, because if you late at the European Wax Center, I think they only give you like 10-15 minutes to be late. And if you late, they gonna just move your appointment. Like, you not having that appointment no matter what the situation is, whether it's traffic or whatever. They don't care. So I made sure that wasn't the case today. But y'all, I'm like super scared because, like what I told y'all last night, like I haven't gotten a wax in a long time, but it's needed though, because I hate the hair down there. Like, I really do. And it's not a lot, but still, like, I'm just tired of it. And I'm supposed to be trying to like go swimming and stuff, and it's like embarrassing when you got like hair on your bikini line and stuff like that. Like, I don't want that. So I'm about to go get this wax. Then I'm gonna try to walk in there to see if I could come in early. But I don't know if these two girls next to me, I don't know if they worked here or if they trying to get a wax. I don't know, but I feel like if I get out the car, they gonna get out the car too, and they gonna be one of my people. I don't know. I'm just overthinking. I'll just see y'all later. I'll see y'all later. Alright, y'all, so I'm walking out the wax center. That was not bad at all. I was tripping for no reason. But we didn't do the Brazilian like I wanted though. We did a bikini full, but still it was nice because she took care of me though, and she actually cared about the information that I told her. I'm not gonna tell y'all, but I liked her, so I'm definitely gonna come back and see her. But yeah, I feel much better now. And shoot, that was quick because I went in there at like 9:35 ish, and it's 9:57, so that ain't even take long. But I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all, because I ain't got no more appointments. I guess I'm gonna just show y'all me packing my bag and stuff like that, because we leave Saturday morning. Like, our train leaves at like 7:15 in the morning. So I'll just see you guys when I get here. Good morning, y'all. It's the day of the 10th, the day that I leave. And right now, I'm walking my sweet precious dog. Dejan is on his way to come get me. But I'm not gonna, oh shoot. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little hungover because my friends threw me like a small little surprise giving away, like party, like, I don't know. But I was drinking a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. And I'm still drunk, but I'm sitting here, hey, come on. I'm sitting here walking Hazel because she needs to walk. And she normally walks at like 5 in the morning because my dad be up. But Dejan is literally on his way here with his parents. And so, like, I'm trying to finish her walk. I tried to stay up and like do my paperwork and stuff. I mean, not my paperwork, finish packing, but I couldn't. I had to lay down because my stomach was starting to hurt. So now I'm trying to hurry up and walk Hazel because my clothes are like packed and everything. It's just I need to make sure everything is in there and make sure I ain't forget nothing. But my allergies is like going crazy right now. But I'm walking her, and I'm gonna record the other process of us leaving soon. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Okay, y'all, we made it. Excuse me, sorry about it. I'm trying to get to the door. Oh,
The door to get in.
sorry. You can tell me this is a push door if you want to go.
Oh, so
You're welcome.
Oh.
There we go. But we just made it to Chicago. We're at the train station now waiting for our Uber. So, but we here. I don't know who's yelling, but we're gonna go to the hotel, drop our stuff off, and then probably find something to eat because I'm hungry.
It's kind of a weird deal because I always have problems going this thing. But it gets messed up sometimes because the Weston's entrance is on Delaware.
I forget which hotel I stayed at last. It wasn't that long ago.
But the address is actually on Michigan Avenue.
Yeah.
But the entrance is actually on Delaware. I think it is. And, so like sometimes you're like, yeah, I'm Michigan.
We made it to the room. We made it to the room. Okay. But as we walk in,
I have to pee.
okay, he has to go to the bathroom. But that's the bathroom there. As you can see. And then you're gonna keep walking. And then this is the and then you keep walking. That's the TV. Oh, I like that painting. Look at that.